Is it good? Mmm. So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna make an easy recipe for Lumpia Shanghai. So we have this onion and celery, carrots.
I love it.
Spring onions, and then so instead of like ground pork, we're using ground beef, and then this is the the most important ingredients. This is the seasoning from Mama Sita, the Lumpia Shanghai mix. So this is very very important. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just put them together and then we start wrapping. So I have, and then of course this one, the wrapper. So this is available in Asian store. So I like this one because it's small and we're ready to wrap it up. So what we're gonna do is just mix them together. So this is our ground beef. So what we're gonna do is just mix them together. Like I tried the pork, beef, shrimp, chicken before, and I like the taste of beef better. So I'm gonna use beef this time because yeah, I like it. Yes, I'm gonna. So we're just gonna add the carrots. The celery. Onions. And then this is the spring onions. Put them all together. Don't be scared. The onion makes you cry, and of course this one. I need so ayan. Ooh, powder. So we just need to mix it up. So I forgot we add 4 eggs as part of our ingredients. So just mix it up. I forgot about it. So okay, now we're gonna try to wrap it in this thing, in a wrapper. I like it. I like it when it has a lot of meat, so it's more filling. Not just like, you know, all wrappers. So. So this is how you can do it. Just like that. So we're just gonna try to cook some 2 egg rolls and then taste it if it is like you know, we put, if you think that you need to add, you know, like more salt or add additional mixtures, so you can do that before wrapping it all. So this is what I do.
Mommy. I need you to scoop the mic, Mom.
Use this like this. Is it good?
Yeah, it made me feel better.
Wow!
It made me feel better, Mommy.
Good job. Is it good?